Pixi, you did your big one with this one. Bestie, do you live in a place like Vegas that gets super hot in the summer and you just refuse to put on a bunch of heavy foundation? No worries, I got you. So if you want to look put together without a bunch of heavy products on your face, look no further. I got the Pixi On-the-Glow base foundation right here. I have cinnamon and mocha, okay? I forgot when I picked up the first one, which was cinnamon, that would definitely be more of my winter shade because Vegas is cooking us this, okay? So I picked up mocha, and mocha will definitely be more for my summer shade, okay? So let's see what they look like. Let's see what it do. Okay, so here's cinnamon. And as you can see, she's still a little light right here. And here's mocha. So cinnamon, mocha. Y'all see the difference? Here's cinnamon. Okay, definitely light, but definitely good for the winter. And mocha. Look, perfect. You don't even see it, huh? That's a perfect shade match for the summer. Let's go ahead and blend this out, y'all. Okay, let's put cinnamon away. So here's our girl mocha. Let's see what she's given once again. Shook it. No more raccoon eyes. Look at that. And do you see how dewy this is looking? Gorgeous. Just gorgeous, y'all. This is so pretty. Just blending this out. You just blend it out a little bit, like that. So let's go ahead and do this side of my face. And do you see how easy this is to do? And you can be on your way out the door in minutes. Period. Do you see this? Because she is definitely given skin, definitely given healthy skin, definitely given glowy. Okay? Let me finish up the rest of this face and I'll be right back. Yo, this Pixi On-the-Glow base foundation is definitely worth the hype. This is the truth. You feel me? Look at this. It's given skin. It's given moisturized. It's given healthy skin. I'm loving it. I'm definitely here for it. I definitely recommend this, especially for summer. It's very lightweight. It's not cakey. And if you're having trouble with matching, here's a little something to help you out. That is how I found my shade, so hopefully it helps you too. And I ended up purchasing two. I got my winter and my summer shades, so I'm good to go. Let me know down below in the comments, have you tried it? And let me know what you think. But I love it. As for me and my skin, we loving it over here, okay? Bestie, it's linked.